So hi everyone. Today we're talking about how we can do a question answer session over an image using the Blip2 model. So basically, what we would be doing is that we would be inputting an image, giving it a prompt, and eventually trying to ask a question in the prompt. So we have done this for YouTube videos, we have done this for PDF, CSVs using LangChain, but this time we will be doing it for an image. So which is interesting. So this we will be doing using Replicate. So Replicate is a cloud platform that provides all the state-of-the-art models with using its API. So let's get started. So to create this API, you need to like sign in into the Replicate website, and eventually on the dashboard only you will get your Replicate API. This API is free of cost, so no issues. So first of all, you need to set up your environment variable replicate underscore API underscore token as your API. Then import replicate and then run this particular model by Andreas Jensen blip hyphen 2, so that you would be able to search in the replicate platform only, or I will provide this URL. The next thing is the input. So input is we're telling that the image is the path abc.jpg. So let's see what is in abc.jpg. So as you can see, that it's a white leopard that is sitting over a log. So let's see. And then the prompt that I'm asking is what animal is in the image. So it is able to reply that, as you can see, a leopard resting on the log. So it's very interesting. You should also try it on Blip 2, and you can ask multiple different types of questions also. So happy experimenting.